The Nord Stream pipeline across the Baltic Sea is a key project for securing Europe's long-term energy supplies. It's recognized as a project of European interest under the European Union's Trans-European Energy Networks guidelines. The pipeline represents an estimated investment of €7.4 billion, a huge infrastructure project that will benefit the economies of countries like Finland, Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Germany, France, Italy and Russia, particularly in the pipe manufacturing, coatings, construction and logistics sectors. Offshore pipelines have been around for over 50 years. There are already thousands of kilometers running on the seabeds of the North Sea and the Mediterranean. Offshore pipelines have some major advantages over those over land. They're better for the environment because they use less energy and leave landscapes untouched. And they are more economical in the long term because they require less maintenance and can transport huge quantities. Safety is a top priority with the pipeline. That's why the entire route has been inspected with high-resolution video cameras, as well as echo sounders and magnetometers. Seabed debris, including wrecks and old munitions, is located and identified in close cooperation with the responsible authorities. If necessary, specialists will be involved to ensure safe handling of the findings. Laying a pipeline is an extraordinary feat of engineering and logistics. Everything revolves around the pipe-lay vessel. This is where pipe sections are welded together to form the continuous structure that's then submerged. A transport barge brings the pipeline sections to the pipe-lay vessel. On the pipe-lay vessel, two sections are welded from the inside and the outside. This double joint section is then attached to the pipeline. In all, about 100,000 sections will be welded together and lowered to the seabed. The pipeline will be about 1,220 kilometers long. The pipeline's pathway on the seabed is the result of careful planning. Alternative routes over land as well as underwater were considered for their economic, ecological and technical viability. The result is a pathway that avoids nature reserves and fish spawning. The installation corridor will be free of munitions and other potentially dangerous debris. The pipeline will be operated using state-of-the-art technology and the system will be monitored 24/7. Devices called pipeline inspection gauges, PIGs for short, will travel along the pipeline regularly, detecting even the smallest irregularities in the pipe walls. Submersible robots fitted with lamps and video cameras can also be used for local and time-critical investigations. The Nord Stream pipeline will be operated in accordance with the highest safety standards from the very first day of operation. Currently, Nord Stream is completing the environmental impact assessment for the pipeline. Construction will start once all necessary permits have been received. Deliveries are planned to begin in 2011. Then construction begins on a second pipeline running parallel to the first. When the second pipeline becomes operational in 2012, the Nord Stream pipeline will be able to transport up to 55 billion cubic meters of gas every year. Nord Stream AG is a joint venture between energy companies Gazprom, BASF-Wintershall, E.ON Ruhrgas and Gasunie. The headquarters are in Zug, Switzerland. Each of these partners possesses vast experience in building and maintaining energy networks. Together, their resources are truly unique. Gazprom is one of the largest producers of natural gas in the world. responsible for about 20% of global output. Wintershall is the oil and gas division of Germany's BASF company. E.ON Raw Gas is among Europe's top suppliers of gas. And Dutch GasUnie has 4 decades of experience building and operating pipelines. Working in collaboration, these companies are setting new standards in security and environmental compatibility and technology that will result in the Nord Stream pipeline.